Hi, is that Chloe? Yeah, this is Chloe from Brett, mate. Chloe, have you got that report for me? Oh my God, I'm going shop for a monster. Chloe, put me through to Gaz. Tim, legend. Gaz, we need to have a talk about what's going on with Chloe and her attitude. To be honest with you, Tim, Will's pretty much the same. Mate, put me through to him. Will? 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 Yeah? Well, it's like getting blood out of a stone. I'll call Kay.
Hello, Kay.
Rainbows
Kay.
and butterflies hugging
Kay.
trees. Rainbows
Can you talk to
and
Will for me?
butterflies
So
hugging
talk on the
trees,
phone
hugging
properly.
trees. Rainbows unique. Get Will to answer the phone properly. Kay. Kay. This and this. Wait, we need to have a talk to these lot. I'll be honest with you, Tim, I'm not into that airy-fairy talking nonsense. I think, just get over it. 3 weeks of this. Day 1 quarantine. No toilet roll.